Hey guys, so today I really want to put up a privacy screen on my back deck. I'll show you what it looks like here. You can see there's like literally no railing at all here. It just drops off, so that needs to be solved. But then also I want to build it 6 feet high just to give some privacy from the neighbors. And then I will leave this section for now. Yeah, so I've already picked up the lumber and it's just a matter of getting started. So I'm gonna do that. The only problem is I didn't get any leg bolts. I just have like decking screws, and I realized I probably should get some leg bolts to attach the 4x4 brackets to the existing deck because they're going to be a lot stronger. So that was an oversight. I'm going to run back to the store, get some leg bolts, and then get started on installing the privacy screen. I've been wanting this for ever since I actually moved in here. I needed it, so it's been like 3 years now. Finally, today's the day, gonna get it done, and I think it's gonna be a really simple, easy project. Shouldn't take too long. Like I said, I already have the lumber, so it's just a matter of putting it all together. So yeah, let's jump in, let's get started. Okay, I got the leg bolts. These are 1/2-inch leg bolts, and I'm gonna use these to attach this post base bracket to my deck. And then I will use the 2.5-inch screws to then screw the 4x4 into this bracket. So we're good to go. And I also got a socket. And I almost got a 1/2-inch socket because these are 1/2-inch leg bolts, but no, because this is not 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch. So good thing I, fitted it before leaving. And yeah, this is actually a 3/4 inch socket. Oh, but look, it says 1/2 inch here. So I guess it's like 1/2 inch. I don't know. I'm not really sure what this part means, but yeah. So I think I have everything I need now. I'm gonna get started. But I think first I'm gonna make a cup of coffee because the sun is draining. It's tiring me out and I need some energy to get this project done. So coffee first and then let's build this. Alexa, 4 minutes. Alexa, stop timer. Of course, I don't have the right socket wrench for this because see how tiny this guy is? And see how big that square is? So, yeah, I'm gonna need a different socket wrench. There's always a hiccup. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I got what I needed. I ordered on Amazon the socket adapter set. So what this is it came with 3, and it allows you to use your impact driver with these larger sockets because it's an adapter to fit it, and then that way the large end fits into the socket and then the smaller end fits into the impact driver. So yeah, this will be great. I can finally tighten up the bolts and continue this project. And sorry if you can hear Ocean eating, he's eating his dinner. You hear large chomping going on behind me, it's Ocean eating his dinner. Okay, so I'm so happy that came in. Thank you, Amazon. It was actually a lot cheaper on Amazon too. It was like $9.99 for a set of 3. These 2 plus the one that's in my impact driver, versus at Canadian Tire was like 17 or 18 bucks for a set of 3. And it had good reviews too. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna get back to this project.